Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Barracuda X to your phone. This headset provides excellent audio for gaming and calls, and connecting it to your mobile device is straightforward. We will cover two primary methods: using the included USB-C wireless dongle for a seamless wireless experience, or opting for the traditional 3.5mm audio cable for universal compatibility. Let's get started with the wireless option first. For a quick and high-performance connection, simply insert the small USB-C wireless dongle into your phone's USB-C port. Your phone should automatically recognize the headset, providing a stable, low-latency wireless audio link. This method is ideal for gaming on the go, offering crisp, 24-bit audio quality. Just make sure your phone's USB-C port supports audio output for the best results. If your phone has a traditional 3.5mm headphone jack, or if you prefer a wired connection, this method is perfect. Simply connect one end of the included 3.5mm audio cable to your Barracuda X headset. Then, plug the other end directly into your phone's headphone jack. This ensures broad compatibility across nearly all mobile devices, providing reliable audio without needing a charge. To get the best experience, remember to adjust your phone's volume settings to a comfortable level. You can also use the convenient onboard controls on your Barracuda X headset for quick volume changes or muting. For wireless use, always ensure your headset has sufficient battery charge to avoid interruptions. Enjoy clear, immersive audio from your Barracuda X, whether you're gaming or listening to music.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.